Welcome my dear friends. In this video we're going to show how to recover permanently deleted files in Windows PC. Sometimes we shift delete or empty the recycle bin or even format the drive but later realize that the file is needed. We're here to help. We'll show you two completely free solutions. If one didn't work, please try the next. Solution 1. PhotoRec app. Though the name says PhotoRec, this can recover all file types. Please go ahead and download the app. I've provided all download links in the video description. Unzip the downloaded file. Please locate this exe file and double-click to run. If you have multiple hard disks, please choose the appropriate one from where you want to recover the files. The drive letter within this app could be misleading, so please double-check the partition size at your Windows File Explorer. And then choose the appropriate entry. Here, select a destination to save the recovered files. Please do not choose the same drive from where you want to recover because that could potentially reduce the chances of file recovery. Also, please ensure the destination drive has enough space to hold the recovered files. I'm recovering from F drive, so let me choose E as destination. You can further narrow down the scan with this file format filter. I'm looking for MP4 video file, so let me deselect all and select only corresponding video file formats. Once already, please tap on search. This scan is expected to run for more times, so please be patient. Once scan is done, please check the target selected. As you can see, new folder has been created with recovered files. Try to locate the file that you are looking for. You may not get the original file name as is, so please be prepared to check all files with generic names. I also suggest to change the view to large icon so that you can see the thumbnail of the file. This the file, but I had permanently deleted from my PC. And I'm able to recover the same successfully. In case the file that you've recovered is corrupt, please follow the file repair video links provided in the description. Solution 2. Official Windows File Recovery Utility. Please open Microsoft Store. Search for Windows File Recovery. For this to work, you require Windows 11 or Windows 10 2004 and above. As you can see, my system meets this requirement. In case you have lower version, you can update your PC, then come back here. Please tap on install. Once installed, please open the app. Or you can also directly open Command Prompt or PowerShell as admin and execute the commands. If you want to learn basic usage details of this utility, please use Win for ? If you replace question symbol with exclamation, you get details of more advanced options. With these all said, you need to form a command based on your need. Here is what I've formed for my case. I want to scan deleted JPG files from F drive and restore them to E drive. Please try regular mode first, and if it didn't work, then please retry the same command in extensive mode. Let me go ahead and execute this command. Please confirm this prompt with Y. For some cases, the scan is expected to run for more times, so please be patient. Now my scan is complete. Let me press Y to open the output. Try to locate the file that you are looking for. You may not get the original file name as is, so please be prepared to check all files with generic names. I also suggest to change the view to large icon so that you can see the thumbnail of the file. This the file that I had permanently deleted from my PC. And I'm able to recover the same successfully. In case the file that you've recovered is corrupt, please follow the file repair video links provided in the description. Hope it was helpful. Please do like the video and subscribe to our channel. If you've any questions or thoughts, please feel free to leave them in the comments section below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in another useful video.